So I know I showed you the BMW Alpina, and then I just haven't talked about it really again since then. There's been a problem with it. And if you want to know where it's been right here. Why is it sitting looking so sad? It started running really rough. Like, it felt like misfires, and just overall something was obviously wrong with it. I took it to one shop. They checked everything out, compression tests and all that kind of stuff, and determined they didn't know what, but something was wrong with the engine and it needed to be replaced. Found the new shop. They said, well, bring it in, maybe we could rebuild it or something like that. So I brought it to him. Within minutes of him getting the car, he quickly figured out what happened. Here's the video he sent me. If you look at the fans on the turbo, the blades, like a piece of them broke off and went up inside the engine, which obviously is not good. Destroyed a couple of cylinders, and lo and behold, it does need to be replaced. So luckily, we have a warranty and we've submitted to them, and we're just waiting for their response back or whatever, but I'm not expecting an answer on that anytime soon due to the whole Hurricane Ian situation. And I'm in South Florida, so I'm in Southeast Florida. We got super lucky. It pretty much just went right around us. We didn't get much of anything. We had some gusty winds and some like heavy rain. It filled my pool up. That's about it. I feel horrible. Definitely donate if you're able to the relief funds. I'll put a couple links below. I've already donated quite a bit. Please, if you're able to, help out as much as you can, because some of those cities were just absolutely destroyed. Definitely a humbling and bring you back to reality type of moment. Sort of makes you feel lucky that you don't have to go through it, and then it instantly makes you feel guilty for being happy it was somebody else. On to a lighter note, I've been driving around in the Raptor a lot because, well, the only other family car broke it. But that means golf cart, Raptor getting family, but I have been putting in quite a bit of time to driving the 720, and I no longer feel like I have to stay in comfort mode, which is something, because I really don't want to break this car or wreck this car, because it's different in the amount of speed it gives you. So a little bit more fun. We still have not done track on it yet. I get that, like, I could just put it in track and drive it. It's got some drift control and stuff like that. I'm not Damon with DDE. I have zero experience with drifting or kicking the end around and like grabbing it back. So I like to drive fast. I like to have a good time, but I also need to be conscious enough to know what I don't know. And that's a hard thing for most people, and I don't know how to control a car with this much power that's rear-wheel drive. So I'm taking it slow and getting a feel for the car and how it drifts and that kind of stuff. So eventually, we'll be in track. So real quick, let's just do a quick little montage again of the 720. And a couple new cameras, couple new camera angles. Let's take a look. There's one thing I want to address for the BMW. A PPI would not have found this. So if you're gonna come at me and say that's why I always get a PPI, you're right, you get a PPI. Fortunately, there's no way it's gonna find that somehow a turbo fan is going to break off and get sucked into the engine. There's nothing I can do about that. I like the car, I miss the car, I want the car back. So we're going to fix the car. But in the meantime, you gotta deal with it. Gotta drive the Raptor.
GPS connected.
Thanks to Andrew Tate, before you got canceled and your YouTube channel got pulled off, you showed me how I should start the 720 to avoid having to take it to the dealer for all those check engine lights that are annoying little problems. You'll never see this because you're not allowed on those platforms, but thank you.